I received this for free. Crispy golden pan-fried potatoes made completely free of vegetable or seed oils is one of my favorite breakfasts to wake up to. And Forward Farms here has actually made probably my new favorite go-to jar of beef tallow. If you're not familiar with it, there's tons of good reasons to switch from things like vegetable or especially canola oil to cooking with beef tallow. One of them is the high smoke point, makes it great for frying, sautéing, roasting. There's no weird additives, which is extremely important. And then there's the flavor. While Forward Farms did a very good job of making sure that the flavor profile of this tallow is pretty neutral, you do get sort of a richness that you don't get normally from other oils. It's also nutrient dense, which again is actually the opposite of things like vegetable or canola oil. One serving is 1 tablespoon, and you do get about 21 servings in each jar, which I think is a very good deal for what you're getting here, and you can definitely stretch that out even further. Odds are you're not gonna need a full tablespoon for most single-person meals, so if you cut that maybe down to half, you can get a lot of mileage out of each jar here. So cooking with tallow actually lends itself best to high temperatures, so primarily frying, getting a nice crispiness to your food. If you use especially stainless steel or ceramic cookware, the way this stuff coats your pan is exactly what you want when cooking at high temperatures. You get a nice even coating that just melts right into the pan. You really can taste the difference. If you make this exact meal with vegetable oil and then with tallow, there's a certain hardiness to it and lack of weird artificial tinge. Forward Farms, I think, did a good job here, and I think I'm going to stick with it. Good stuff. Definitely worth checking out.